How to delete education on LinkedIn. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your education on LinkedIn. To delete an education on LinkedIn, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type linkedin.com. Once you enter this keyword, now press the enter button of your keyboard to browse it. Now you will be taken to the official website of LinkedIn. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, go ahead and access your profile. For that, you need to click on your profile picture or the initial in the top left corner to go to your profile. Once you do so, now you will access your profile. Here you will need to scroll down until you see the education section. Once you find the education section, you will also find pencil icon at the right side of it. Click on this pencil icon on the right side of this entry. Here you will find your education that you have added. Now to delete it, again you will need to click on this pencil icon at the right side. Once you do so, now you will reach to the edit mode. Here at the bottom of the window, you will find delete education. Now users simply have to click on this option and a dialog box will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the education entry. Confirm and click on this delete button to complete the deletion process. Wait for a while and you will see the deletion was successful. Now after deleting the education entry, you can simply refresh the browser, and now when you click on your profile and scroll down, you will not see your education entry anymore. So by following the steps, you can easily delete an education entry from your LinkedIn profile. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.